Tuba Au, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. We have our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, of our Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Snehawalan Dhar. We also welcome Shri Wunlumang.
Are all aware is very, very crucial for the growth of the nation, very crucial for the overall growth of the tourism sector. I remember way back in 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, when I was a struggling entrepreneur, and I used to travel throughout the Northeast trying to build up the business that I was trying to do at that point in time. And I remember traveling from Shillong to Imphal, Shillong to Kohima, through the night bus. And I must have taken that bus maybe more than 100 times. And I remember it used to take about 20 hours to get to Imphal from Shillong. And it was quite a difficult journey. And when that happened, you know, those kind of experiences were difficult to forget. It was quite a difficult journey, I should say. And in 2018, when I took over as Chief Minister, one of the very important points, turning point, I should say, for the civil aviation sector was the Udan scheme that had come up. We had some hurdles out here in the Umroi airport, and I'm very happy to mention to all of you that through a lot of great difficulty during that time, we managed to make the Umroi airport functional, and with the support of the Government of India and in fact the visionary leadership that the Honorable Prime Minister has given to ensure that the connectivity between the regional headquarters, the smaller states and smaller airports could pick up. The Udan scheme came, and it was a major game changer. And today, you can go to Imphal, you can go to Agartala, you can go to Dimapur, Aizawl, and it's, within an hour you are there in those locations. So therefore, these are the kind of changes that are today taking place in the entire sector.
Northeast. And the moment I woke up and I saw the breathtaking landscape, I am totally in awe with the beauty of this state and especially Meghalaya. I now realize why it is called the Meghalaya, the abode of the clouds, looking at the beautiful landscape that is in front of me. So I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has made this a possibility here to have the seaplane demonstration here in the beautiful Umyam Lake. And this demonstration of seaplane operations is not only a technological milestone for us, but a tribute to the vision of connecting India in a new and innovative way. I am reminded of the Prime Minister's first journey in the seaplane in the year 2020, when he has made an inspiring journey from the majestic Statue of Unity in Kevadia to the Ahmedabad. That wasn't just a symbolic flight, it was a powerful message across the country that we stand for unity along with accessibility, demonstrating the potential of seaplanes to bridge hard-to-reach destinations and elevate regional tourism. The Prime Minister's journey from Statue of Unity sparked enthusiasm amongst industry leaders and also the state governments. And it underscored the importance of bold initiatives to make aviation more accessible, efficient, and more people-centric. And it is an endeavor that brings the spirit of Udan scheme to greater heights. And today, as we take the seaplane operations from here in Meghalaya, we witness the unity of purpose between the center and Meghalaya under the leadership of my dear friend Conrad Sangmaji. Just as the Statue of Unity stands as a symbol of national pride, the collaboration between the central government and Meghalaya is a testament of how unity and cooperation can transform the country and the state. Together, we are creating a pathway for pioneering seaplane industry that will unlock economic potential boost tourism, and connect communities across India like never before. And I'm confident that this stage that we have set today is going to thrive the seaplane network across the Northeast and across the nation together.